Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Errz. Errz is the ransomware that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. It is called like that, Errz, because it encrypts the files, and then after the encryption is successful, it adds a special Errz extension to the files. And then after the extension is added, it is not possible to use the files anymore. Now, before the ransomware attacks the files, of course, you can open them without any problems. Regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities in the available security system of the computer, this Errz ransomware may be easily injected into the device, so you will not be able to use your files anymore. After you restart your computer, you may suddenly realize that something bad has happened and that you cannot open your files because of the Errz extension being added to the files. So pretty soon you will see the damage caused by this Errz ransomware. When you try to open the specific file, you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Errz extension. So the ransomware tells its victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored, so don't pay the ransom. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager of your computer. Most likely you would find some suspicious processes that could be running in the background. Right-click on them and end their task. This can help you stop the further file encryption. Now, considering removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download the software, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your computer. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. You need to click on the Start Scan button, and then the research and investigation of your computer will begin. Combo Cleaner, by the way, would first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or other threats. So do not cancel this update process. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully updated, the program would begin scanning and researching and investigating your computer. You will be able to see the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scan, but you need to, of course, wait until the scanning is fully completed. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. However, keep in mind that this feature is the part of the premium license only. So, as I said, at the end of the scan, you would see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations, but we strongly advise that you upgrade to premium license to remove all of them altogether and automatically.